Hey, Pooh, how are you? They took my f***ing eyes.
See here, obviously we've got our old headlight assemblies that have come out of the car. Going to try and give them a little bit of an update. And here we bought these STEDI brand LED headlight inserts. Just go and make them fit and see what they're like. As you're about to see, putting these LED inserts in is probably one of the easiest modifications you're going to do to the car. There's a direct fit. It all bolts directly up. There's a direct plug-in. And there we have it. An LED light assembly ready to bolt in the car. It's always been one of my favourite parts of a car build, to start bolting things in. I'm definitely going to enjoy bolting some headlights into the car. How good does that look?